Made in 1952, it is one of the Phillip Johnsons' residential masterpieces in New Canaan, not far from New York. The Wiley House is named for the owner who first commissioned it, Robert C. Wiley, a real estate developer with a passion for modern design, and Johnson together concocted the prototype for the Wiley Spec House, a home designed to be mass-produced. Johnson selected the site for the house himself. What most people don't know about Johnson, explains listing agent Inga Stringfellow, is that he was also a great landscape architect. The plot's rolling hills and the grove of hickory trees appealed to him because they both reminded him of the topography of the glass house. It is a composition of buildings, which includes the main house, the pool house, the art gallery, and the garage, whose development, planned from the outset, has been harmoniously implemented by the different owners who have followed each other. Many formal characteristics unite it to the glass house, from which it derives and appears as a transparent volume that houses the living area, resting on a stone podium in which the bedrooms are placed. A glass cage, evocative of an aviary, Johnson defined it by simplifying in the description the mastery of balance between the full and empty of volumes and materials. A substantial portion of the built surface is basement, practically following the natural morphology of the soil from which it seems to emerge with the least possible impact. A lot of the images I will show are taken at night because this is where I find the essence of the home really shines. A striking focal point of the interior is the suspended fireplace, reinforcing the modernist ethos of the house while also providing a cozy gathering space. Recessed custom lighting fixtures also add to the minimalist look. The interior of the Wiley House is characterized by clean lines, simple forms, and a restrained color palette. Johnson opted for minimalist furnishings and finishes, allowing the focus to remain on the architectural elements and the surrounding landscape. This minimalist approach reflects the modernist emphasis on purity of form and the elimination of ornamentation. Their house features a steel frame structure, allowing for large expanses of glass walls without the need for traditional load-bearing walls. This structural system not only facilitates the open, transparent design, but also reflects Johnson's interest in industrial materials and construction techniques. Johnson also incorporated natural materials to complement the surrounding landscape. Wood accents such as cedar siding and interior paneling add warmth and texture to the minimalist aesthetic. The cantilevered roof extends beyond the exterior walls to provide shading for the expansive glass facades. This design element not only serves a functional purpose by controlling solar heat gain, but also creates a striking visual effect and emphasizes the horizontality of the building and enhancing its connection to the surrounding landscape. Johnson employed a modular grid system in the design of the Wiley House, organizing the floor plan and facade elements according to a rational, geometric framework. This systematic approach to design reflects the modernist principle of order and rationality, while also allowing for flexibility and adaptability in the layout of interior spaces.